y'all again. There's not a new Flappy Bird. Oh, the cursing Flappy Bird all over the place. Yeah. It's really fun, guys. These technology of the game is really cool. You know, birdies can get squished. Jesus Christ. I got better scores than that before. But if y'all haven't got this yet, I can afford that. It's actually toxic waste or whatever crap it is. I don't know. I don't really care what it is. And I got this. I'll show you that. I guess right there. Yeah, when I was I'm christening machinery. Yeah. And yeah, boy.
Screw y'all, YouTubers, y'all suck. Subscribes. Get out of here. Don't watch Aiden. He sucks.
Yeah, my new pipe, y'all. The big mill pipe. Please subscribe to me. I don't suck. Let me know in the comments below if I'm sucking stupid. Oh yeah, this is fat. We need this. Birds cannot definitely get out of this. Really, horribly. Ooh, metal one. Metal bot. Oh, one just came out of the sewers. That's sick. Please don't subscribe to Alex. Please put thumbs down on him because he don't make videos like this. He does not. I'm the one who makes videos like this. He doesn't. He don't even do recorded faces like this. Alright, I'm gonna quit for now, okay?